Ana, diri si Marcos, guys. 9 hours ago. Presence of Russian submarine very worrisome. Pagkasabaw. So, let's backtrack a little bit. Bongbong Marcos, okay? Kinsa may naghatag og go signal, kinsa may naghatag og permission na padalan ta diri daghang American soldiers, right? Kinsa may nag-encourage, nag-permit, nag-approve para naate mga bases here, additional bases here sa Philippines. Di ba ikaw man? And now you're saying that spotting a Russian submarine somewhere in Mindoro is worrisome? Sure ka? It's your own doing. Do you expect that by adding more American bases and soldiers in the Philippines, knowing that US is currently waging war against Russia, will not implicate and will not involve and include Philippines as part of the heated war ongoing right now, Ukraine versus Russia? Do you think dili ta targeton sa Russia? Oh my God. Guba ang utok sa cooking. Guba. Okay? Because of your own doing to allow US American bases here in the Philippines. In fact, recently lang, sa to akong nabasa, nuclear bases in the Philippines installed very recently. Alright? I don't know if it's a nuclear basis, but it's like a testing facility for nuclear weapons sa Philippines. Okay? Do you think ang Russia will play nice to us? Himuon ratag sacrifice sa US government mao bitang si Digong Rodrigo Duterte wa na siya nisugot na nay mga base militar diri sa US. Kay tanawa karon himuon ang tagsakripisyo. Kana si Martin Romualdez, Liza Marcos ug si Bongbong Marcos ug iyang pamilya inig gubat sa atua sa Russia or sa China. Okay? Manglayas ranang mga pisti biyaan ang mga Pilipino nga mga matay as a sacrificial lamb sa ilang kagago. Okay, wake up Pilipinas!